about Newton's second law. Newton's second law says that a net force causes a mass to accelerate. So in order to understand it, we need to first know what a net force is. So in order to demonstrate that, I have my guest, Eric Mazon. A net force is a force that is unbalanced. Here's an example of a balanced force. I'm going to apply a force to this foam ball. His hand is going to apply a force opposite my force in order to balance it out. So when I hit the foam ball, the ball doesn't go anywhere. Okay? That would be a balanced force. Thank you, Eric. A net force, or an unbalanced force, is one that does not have a force opposing it. So now when I apply a force, the ball accelerates. That's a net force. Now that we know what a net force is, we can see how a net force affects two different masses. My first mass is this foam ball. I'm going to apply a net force that's going to cause this mass to accelerate. The mass accelerates. Now, let's see how that same net force causes a second mass to accelerate. So here, I have a bowling ball. Same net force. Not quite the same acceleration. Newton's law. A net force causes a mass to accelerate. The larger the mass, the less acceleration if you have the same net force. In order to give the bowling ball the same acceleration as the foam ball, I'd have to apply a lot more force. But unfortunately, that's not going to happen.